So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find rentals with a pool here on Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, I'm going to go ahead here and for this example, press on rent. And how about I type in Phoenix, Arizona. I'm sure there's lots of options that have pools there. At least I would hope so if I was renting there personally. But regardless, once that is done, I want you to go to the top and press on filters and then scroll down to where it says amenities, where it says pool. Make sure that box is checked. Then go to the bottom right and press on see homes. Now what you're going to be seeing is a variety of different options here, rental options that have a pool in your selected area. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can find rentals with a pool here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.